What's up, guys? This is Pastor Canoy again. We're coming out with another video tonight. So we're going to be doing this cool project. We're going to be using CSS, HTML CSS and JavaScript. In JavaScript we're going to be using functions. We're going to be using the DOM, the document object model. And this is the final product. What it's going to be. It's a little just a little test project, you know. So we got, thank you for taking the mood test page or something like that, but it's not like a mood page. But anyway, it says click any mood. Oh man, I spelled it wrong right here. Mood you had today below. So was that a happy day, was that awful day, was that an ugly day? And you have a refresh button. So when you click in here, if you had a happy day, it will give you this image right here of happiness. Awesome day, great day, this is a wonderful day, marvelous day, that's a beautiful, that's beautiful, you know. And then if you click and then look at the colors and all of that stuff, and then if you click awful, it will change color and also the image and also the text. Sorry to hear that, no cool, no great, that's awful. And then if you click in ugly, that's hideous, that's horrid, that's monstrous, unlovely, you know. And the text over here, because it's black, you don't see a text in the middle too, you know. You could improve this, you can do a lot. Yeah, you can do a lot more than this. But anyway, so I have the refresh button, and that gets it all the way to the beginning, and then you just come back again, you refresh it, you know, just simple. Now let's work on that. All right. So I got my text editor ready to go. So I already have my oh wow. Okay, I got my HTML ready. I got my JS ready. Let's move this over here. I got my CSS and my JavaScript file ready to go. All right, let's start. Alrighty. So first we're going to start with a div, which is going to be the class we're going to call it main. Inside this div, which this main div is going to be like the parent. Inside is going to have two kits. You know, there's going to have, I will call it container with the class container, and there's going to be another one, another div. We're going to call it box. You know, since we're going to be using this, we're going to change it to an ID. Okay. Now, okay, this is my two containers right here inside my main. Now, here, I need H1. So we're going to say thank you for taking the mood test page. Right, cool, and that's what we have. And then right here in the container, we're going to open up another div, so which is going to be an ID. I'll call it text. Okay, now inside text there's going to be a H2. We're going to say click in any, this we're going to fix this mood, in any mood you had today below. Cool. Let's see what we have. Okay, that's cool. Let's go back. All right. Also, in there we're going to have a three paragraph. it's going to be happy, but this one is going to have an ID too, because we're going to be using this with our JavaScript. We're going to have happy. We can use other selectors, but I like using ID, so we can just do it really quick. And let's copy this. Okay, and then next one is going to be awful. And then we're going to give the name of awful too. And then we have ugly. And then we call it ugly too right here. All right. And then we're going to have a button right here. And this button is going to be called refresh. Okay. And this also, okay, this we're going to be using a on-click button for that. Okay. Then let's save that and see what we have. Okay, that's what we want. They don't work yet because we haven't done anything yet. Okay, cool beans. Now let's keep on working on this. Now let's go to our box. So right here in our box, we're going to be having an image tag right here. But we're going to get rid of this, and we're going to give it an ID equals to image. Okay, we're going to use that. Now here we're going to have some divs too. So these ones we're going to be using. I need 5 of this. Yeah, let me do this. We're going to call this an ID of ID. We're going to call it random one, and then we're going to call a class. We need a class in here. I'll call it black, and we're going to use this later for our JavaScript. 3, 4, 5. Let's change it right here. 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, let's save that, and I think that should be it, what we need. Okay, HTML is good to go. Now let's do our styles. Okay, let's see, I got some notes over here on my style. Okay, we're going to do a main, which is a class that we have in there. We're going to tackle that class. We're going to do a padding for the whole entire container for 40 pixels. If we save that, it's going to give us that. Cool. Then let's target the h1 main h1. So what do you want? We want the text align. We want center, right? Then we want a padding of 40 pixels, and we need color. It's going to be blue. Then we need font size, font family, so it's right there. Yeah, that's what we need, sans serif. Okay, let's save that and go back and check on the page. Cool, it's not too bad. That's what we wanted. Okay, now let's go and tackle that. We're going to target that container right now. Let's container, yeah, let's do the container. All right, let's do the container. Where are you? Right here. Wait, what did I do? One sec over here. Okay, sorry, this one comes right here. Let's get rid of this. Okay, and that should do it. Okay, yeah, there's not too many changes. All right, we got that in there, so let's keep on working on our CSS. Let's go to the container. So right here in the container, we are going to be doing the following. Display, let's see. We got text button. Okay, I'm just checking this really quick. Text. Oh, you know what? Sorry, it's getting tired this time. Let's move this inside our container because that's where we want it. Okay. Let's get rid of this. Our box. Okay. Let's see. Okay. All right. Go back to our CSS. So we're going to do display flex right there. Then we're going to do justify content. Oh, cool, we have it. We're going to do it space around, and then we have max width. Max width, we got 1200 pixel right there. We got margin, we got 0, we got auto. Okay, auto. So that is spelled wrong. Let's see. Oh yeah, semicolon right there. So let's see what we have. Okay, cool, that's what we want. All right, let's go back. So we don't see anything. So this one is flex. It's supposed to be, so this is the footer right here, like the main container. Inside there we have the click and all the text right here, and then we have all the pictures on the right. So okay, so now let's tackle our box. It has the name of ID. So we position, just do relative. Then we have width 600 pixels. Then we got height, do 600 pixels too. Then we need a border. It's going to be 5 pixels, solid green. Let's save and see what we have. Okay, that's what we want. All right, now let's target image. Let's see. Let's go back. Let's check out what we have. Let's get image ID, image. Okay. I don't know why I closed that. So right here in the image, we need to do is a width 350 pixels. You also need the height 350 pixels, and then we have position, got relative, and then we need the top. We need 20. What is 20? 20%, and then we got left 20%. Let's save that. I don't think we're going to see that much in there. Okay, that's what we need. This is what our image is going to go. Okay. All right. Let's go back again. Right here, let's go to the next one. Okay. Now let's do our let's target now what they want me to do. Yeah, let's target all of these divs. Random 1, 2, and 3, all that stuff. Okay. Let's do that. Random 1. So we need right here position absolute. Then we need top 8 pixels. Then we have right. Sorry, so this is going to go left. So we're talking about this left first. Left is going to be 16 pixels, and then we have font size. We got 40 pixels. Okay. Let's say there's not going to be nothing here because there is nothing there. Okay. We're just getting ready. So let's copy this part. And then let's do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's change this. What is it? Random 1. This is going to be random 2. Random 3. Random 4. Random 5. Okay. So now we're going to change a couple values right here. Let's start from random 2. So and also some properties right here. Okay, random 2, we have top 8, we got left, now it's going to be right. Right. So everything should be good. Font size the same. Random 3. So that's going to the bottom right here. We go to the bottom. Still left. Font size still the same. Random 4. Random 4 is going to the way. What happened? Bottom. okay, bottom right. So this is, so we got on 3 is bottom left, and then random 4 we have bottom right. Yes, we need, because it needs to go to the bottom to the right and the other side. Okay, so we got that. That is per right, yeah. And then 5, random 5. So this one, so we got top. Top is going to be yeah, top 50% and 100% width. Okay, just checking my notes real quick. Yeah, this one is going to be, because it's going to be center. Top, no, let's change this. It's going to be top 50%. Okay, and then we have width. Oh man, what the, get 100%. And then we have font size is still the same. Okay, so let's save that. Like I said, there's nothing that will show us yet. Nothing. Okay, okay, let's see. So yeah, let's just work on the colors right now. Let's start with those colors. So we got colors. So we got colors. Let's see. No, actually, you know what? Actually, I got rid of the colors. Yeah, I don't. I just did it black. So I'm just checking my notes. Okay, we don't even need colors. We just did black as a class because that's what the text is going to be. Um, yeah, let's color. Okay, let's save that. Alright, this should be good. There's nothing there. So now let's tackle our JavaScript. Okay, this is what all the magic is going to happen right now. Okay. Alright, let's do that. Okay, let's start. Cons. So let's go give this the name of happy, and then we're going to do document that get element by ID right there, but the name right here is called happy, and then semicolon, and then let's just copy this, and then just there are 2 more times, change the name of the variable. It's going to be awful. The ID name is awful too, and then the third one, it is ugly, and then right here it's going to be ugly too. Okay, save that. Now let's just do add event listener. I'm going to do a click, comma, and then the name of the function. I call it right here parece. Let's just give it a different name. Let's call it um, happy person. Yeah, let's call it like that. So semicolon right there, and then we're going to be doing the same for the other ones. Awful, change that click. So right here we're going to do happy person. This is what was that? Awful person. Awful. It's going to be the name of the function. Let's just do one more time. This is going to be ugly person. Okay, save that while we're working. So now let's just start our functions. Function, let's do the first one, happy person, parentheses, curly brackets. In here we are going to do document that get element by ID. So right here we're going to be, where is it, we're going to be targeting the image right here, image. Let's see. So yeah, right here, image. Okay, we get an image right there. So let me double check. It's an ID. Okay, that's what we need. Okay, image. All right. And then we got src. So this is my images that I have. Okay. This one, it should give me that image. Let's see. Let's try that. Let's refresh this. Oh yeah, nice. Give me the first image. Okay, cool. It's working good as expected. Now the next one. So we need to change the background right here. Let's copy this part. So everything we want to do is going to happen in this function right here. You can just change a lot of different things right here. You can change the text, the background color. You can do math. You can add like audio. You can add a movie in the background. Like whatever it is, it will happen in this function, the happy person. We could have done like a lot more, but didn't have too much time. So right here, let's change this to box, and then right here we're going to give it a style. That style, that background equals to, I got a color right here. Let me just copy that color and paste it right here. So let's see the background. Let's refresh that. Okay, that's my purple background right there. Nice. Okay, now what is next? So now we need to add the text, kind of like over here in our awesome great day. So what we did, we already did all the positioning. You know, we're going to add the text. It should be just giving us the same as we have it right here on the example. Okay, let's do that. So let's see, let's do another document that get element by ID. Right here we're going to be targeting our random IDs. ID 1 is going to be inner HTML equals to the text. Copy that. I have right here, it says awesome day. So if I refresh that, if I save that, refresh it right here, clicking there, it should give me awesome day. Okay, now let's copy all of this and then let's do 4 more times. 2, 3, okay, because we only need 5. And let's change the ID. Is going to be random 2, random 3, random 4, and random 5. And let's change the text right here. Let's see, great day. Great day. So what else do we have in here? Oh, the next one is marvelous day. Marvelous day. Marvelous day. And then that's beautiful. That is beautiful. And the last one for this is going to be that's wonderful. This is words of encouragement, right? So let's save that and refresh right here and click in happy. All right, that's wonderful. But our wonderful came to the middle, but let's fix that. So it came to the left. Let's see. Oh, let's see, how did that happen? Let me fix that and see which is the last one. That's wonderful. Okay, random 5. Top, we want 50%. So let's just do that to the middle. Right. So that wouldn't go anywhere. That's like way out there. Let's just play with the values. Right. Let's just do right here 50%. Okay, so maybe it's going to fix it if you do like 90% instead of 100%. Oh no, that went wrong. You know what, actually, so let's do 60%. We're just playing with some values right here. Let's refresh that, click in there. Okay, let's do left. Left is going to be 60. Okay, that's way over there. Let's just do 40. we're getting there. We're getting there. I thought it will kind of fix it, I guess. Yeah, it's getting to the middle. Maybe 20, and we stay in 20. I think that should be good, right? Uh, no, maybe no. Maybe just do 22%. We can just fix that, and then we should be good with that and leave it. Yeah, that's pretty good right there. All right, should be good. Now we fixed that issue. Let's go to our JS right here. All right, so that should be good. So now what we need to do, it is go and do the same thing for the second function right here. Let's copy all of this, and let's change awful person. Oh man, how do you spell awful? Awful person. And then let's change the image. So what did I call it? We got happy, we got awful. Yeah, I call it the same thing. Let's save. Oh no, I'll do awful. And then the color for the background, this is pink. Pink. So now I said sorry to hear that. Let me just copy what I have in here. Copy, and this is somebody having a awful day. Sorry to hear that. Words of encouragement. Yeah, that's not cool. And then that's not great either. And then we have that's awful. That is awful. Okay. One L, and then bad day. If we save that, that should give us the awful part. So we got happy. Yeah, sorry to hear that. Bad day. Man, I don't like that. We still gotta fix that. Let's see. Let's leave it at 30 maybe. That should be good in here. Let's see. Yeah, I guess that's good. Yeah, it's not too bad, I guess. So check that kid. He's like, oh man, thumbs down, man. That's not a good day. All right, that works. Doesn't work that one yet. All right, let's go back here. Keep working our JS. All right, let's copy all of this again. And let's change what is the name for the function. Is going to be ugly person. So I'm sure I call it this one ugly too. And what was the background? It was red. The red means that's a bad day. And this ones we're going to do capital letters, because it's not cool. It's called horrid. What else do we have? We got monstrous. All of these I look at it from the internet, so I don't know what synonymous of ugly, you know. Unlovely. This is just words to be empathetic with people, you know, when they're having a bad day. Repulsive. Okay, save that, go back and check. Okay, that's where we are. Okay, boom, that's working. Awesome day, great day, that's a wonderful. That is wonderful. Marvelous day, that's beautiful. Like, you're happy. Then you go clicking awful, it's like sorry to hear that, not cool, not great, that's awful. Then you click on ugly. Whoa, that's the picture that I picked up from Google Images. I don't even know what Hutch Francis is. I just like the eyes. That's hideous, horrid, monstrous, and lovely. And then since the text is black and he has a black shirt, yeah, I could have fixed it. We could have done a lot better. So what I was thinking for this, maybe next time, I don't know. So what we can do a for loop. We can pass a for loop for all the with the class, the same class that they have for the black text, and then we can fix it that way and do different colors. But anyway, I didn't have too much time to do it today. All right, so now we gotta work on the last thing, which is the refreshing the button right here. Okay, so let's see what we have. What we have in here? What is the button? Okay, right here we gotta do on click. Um, no capital one on commanded. Let's do this. Okay, we got on click and we want to call it my function. Parentheses, save that for now in here, and now let's go to our JS and we're going to add it right here, and we are going to do the function my function, curly brackets right there. We're going to do a location that reload. So simple, and let's save that, and then that should make our button work. Whoa, 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 whoa. Something is not right. What's going on? Let's see. Oh, guess what I was missing right here? My parentheses. That's why it's not working. And now we can save it. And that kind of break the whole entire program, huh? Okay, now it's working. Awful. I like the kids. Like, no good day, dude. Nice. Refresh it. Nice. Now it works again. Cool. Alright, guys. So that's all the video for tonight. So hopefully this video helped you, in your journey to become a web dev. Just simple projects like this kind of help you with JavaScript, how to do functions, how to use the DOM, and yeah, all right, guys. So I will see you in the next video. All right, have a good night and see you later. Bye.